Imagine for a moment that a friend or a family member is diagnosed with a terminal illness, and then imagine that they wanted to spend precious time with loved ones far away but lacked the resources to make it happen. Well, that's where not-for-profit crowdfunding website Give a Mile steps in, and here to tell us how it works and how you can help is Give a Mile board member Laurie Stewart. Welcome, great to see you.
Yeah, good morning. Thanks, Jill.
Now, I know crowdfunding is so popular these days and is such an effective way of how people are able to give back. So tell us about Give a Mile and how it works.
So Give a Mile is really important. So there are trillions of unused air miles every year that just go, that just never get used. So what Give a Mile does is allows people to donate those unused air miles so that people in times of greatest need can get family members together. So it doesn't cost anything to donate those miles, but they really go to good.
To good use.
Yeah.
Absolutely. And so what sorts of miles can people donate?
So Aeroplan miles, we're working on getting WestJet miles available, but a lot of Sparwood group points. There's a whole list on the website of points that you can actually give. Air miles not yet, but Aeroplan miles and United miles definitely, and it's actually free to donate those miles to us.
Okay, fantastic. And this is actually an idea that was locally created. It came from a group of Calgarians.
Yeah, definitely. So I don't know if people know about Startup Weekend, but it's where you have 54 hours over a weekend and a team gets together to launch a new tech idea or product. And Give a Mile was born out of that, and then funded by another local organization called Awesome Calgary, which gives $1,000 grants to people with great ideas. So that actually allowed it to become the nonprofit that it is, a not-for-profit that it is today. It's not a registered charity, but yeah, so it's been a real local and community event to get, or community effort to get this going.
Yeah, a great collaboration, and what a great idea. You've already had some great success so far. So what are some of the stats to date in terms of flights that you've been able to donate?
So we've collected flights that we've donated. So there are 58 flights that have been given out. So this organization is just over a year old. So it got launched in April of 2013. So 58 flights to date have been given out. 51 of those have actually been taken, and almost 1.8 million miles have been donated.
Wow.
And, yeah, and an average flight, is about 40,000 miles. But as we all know, when you use points for a flight, there's always taxes and other costs incurred. So you can donate money to us as well, because we have to offset those other incidental
those pesky
monetary
taxes.
Pesky taxes.
I know what you're talking about. Okay, and now looking forward, the Million Mile Challenge, what is this?
Yeah, so we're coming into the season of giving, and I don't know if anybody can imagine anything worse. In Calgary, there's an awful lot of us who aren't from here. And if you get sick here, your family is usually someplace else. So we're coming into that season where it's really, really important to think about everyone else and to give. So the Million Mile Challenge is, we want to challenge people in Calgary, corporations, individuals, to donate to help us get another 1 million miles in our coffers before the Christmas season. So that ends on Thanksgiving weekend.
Okay, so that initiative has started up already. Give a Mile is what it's called. We're going to put up details on our website, breakfasttelevision.ca. Great idea. Thank you so much for sharing with us, and congratulations on your success so far. Such an easy way to give back, and entirely free if you have those miles that you're not using. Thank you, Laurie.
Great. Thanks so much, Jill. And yeah, thanks to everyone who's already donated and those who are about to donate.
Absolutely.